a huge challenge. My jigsaw analogy that I did earlier, 1,000-piece jigsaw with 200 pieces missing.
Everybody can remember this jet. It was the first British-built and the only British-built Mach 2 fighter.
This project is complicated in a beautiful way. I've crawled inside the engine to spin the turbine blades to make sure they were okay.
To have this helmet together here with this airplane in 2022 is pretty significant for me. Like I said, at that point, I never knew that I was going to have the opportunity to be involved with the Lightning.
All I do is probably I'm the conductor of the orchestra, but the real effort comes out of the guys that support us. Most of them ex-RAF and Lightning experience to boot. So those are the guys who are doing all the real work.
But this is an iconic aircraft. It has a kind of cult status in the UK. This is when you see this aircraft take off, I mean it goes vertical. It's an amazing sight to see, and it's when we get it back into the air, people will know about this aircraft if they don't know about it now.